Welcome. In this video, we'll focus on how to approach discuss advantages/disadvantages essay questions. We'll learn to write a strong introduction by structuring a background sentence, using sophisticated paraphrasing, and developing a clear thesis statement. First, let's analyze the task type. Discuss advantages versus disadvantages. The prompt often follows a structure like, a trend is happening, and you must discuss its advantages and disadvantages. Your job is to explain both sides and write a balanced conclusion, without necessarily stating a personal opinion throughout the essay. Here is an example prompt. More young people are choosing to take a gap year before university. What are the advantages and disadvantages of this trend? Step 1 is to identify the central issue. Ask, what is the main trend? Who is involved? Why is it becoming common? In our example, the trend is more young people taking a gap year before university. Once you identify the trend, you can brainstorm advantages and disadvantages. Step 2 is brainstorming advantages. Think about positive outcomes for the person, society, or future. Possible ideas include gaining maturity, saving money, or getting work experience or travel exposure. Step 3 is considering disadvantages. Focus on negative outcomes. For example, students might lose academic momentum, delay graduation, or waste time without clear goals. Financial pressure or increased inequality are other drawbacks. Next, let's build the broader background sentence for your introduction. This sentence should introduce the trend, give a neutral reason for its existence, and smoothly lead into your thesis statement. We use the zoom out method. Start by identifying the main trend, then state a general truth about the broader topic, and finally link it to the paraphrased question. This establishes context for your essay. When paraphrasing the task question, remember that strong writers reframe the idea, rather than just replacing words with synonyms. Step 1 for paraphrasing is identifying the core meaning. For the gap year prompt, the core meaning is that more young people are choosing a gap year before university. Step 2 is changing the structure. You can invert the order, reframe the conceptual angle, use appropriate synonyms, or convert nouns into verbs and vice versa to achieve a sophisticated restatement. For the gap year example, paraphrasing using synonyms gives us, an increasing number of young people are deciding to postpone university studies. Reframing gives us, many young people now prioritize time for personal development. For higher bands, consider adding a subtle twist by changing the focus, such as from timing to choice or intention to social change. This shows greater control and nuance in your writing. Avoid synonym soup, which overcomplicates the wording. Instead, aim for sophisticated paraphrasing that is clear, concise, and natural, like, an increasing number of young people are choosing to delay entry into higher education after finishing school. Finally, we write the thesis statement. It must clearly state the topic, maintain a balanced position, and establish the essay's scope by mentioning both the advantages and disadvantages you plan to discuss. A strong thesis for band 7 to 8 could be, although taking a gap year before university can provide young people with valuable life experience and personal development, it may also disrupt academic momentum and delay entry into higher education and the workforce. For band 8 to 9, use more sophisticated vocabulary. Although taking a gap year before university can equip young people with valuable life experience and greater personal maturity, It can also undermine academic continuity and delay long-term educational and career trajectories. The Band 7 thesis maintains clarity and coherence. Although taking a gap year before university can provide young people with valuable life experience and greater maturity, it can also disrupt their studies and delay future educational and career plans. To wrap up, practice formulating a thesis statement in 20 seconds, ensuring you cover both the advantage and the disadvantage of the central issue. In summary, we've covered how to approach advantages and disadvantages, questions, sophisticated paraphrasing, writing an effective background sentence, and structuring a clear thesis statement.